Hi, David. I was walking in the city yesterday, and a tourist asked me for directions. I wanted to help, but I didn't know the right words to use in English.
That's a great topic to learn. Giving directions is very useful when traveling or helping others. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to do it correctly.
That sounds great. I want to learn some common phrases and words.
Perfect. Let's start with some important vocabulary. When giving directions, it's important to know some basic words. Here are some essential ones. Left the direction opposite to right. Right the direction opposite to left. Straight ahead, continue moving in the same direction. Turn to change direction. Intersection, a place where two or more streets meet. Traffic light, a signal with red, yellow, and green lights to control traffic. Crosswalk, a designated place for pedestrians to cross the street. Corner, the point where two streets meet. Behind, at the back of something. Next to, beside something. Opposite, facing something from the other side.
These words are very useful, but how do I put them into sentences?
Good question. Let's go over some common phrases next. When someone asks for directions, you can use these phrases. Go straight ahead, continue walking in the same direction. Turn left at the traffic light, change direction to the left when you see a traffic signal. Turn right at the next street, change direction to the right when you reach the next road. It's on your left, right, the destination is to your left or right. You will see it on your left, right, you will find the place on your left or right. Go past the supermarket, walk past the supermarket. It's across from the bank, the place is on the other side of the bank. It's next to the coffee shop, the place is beside the coffee shop.
These sentences are so helpful. Can we practice with real examples?
Of course. Let's act out a situation where someone asks for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station.
Sure. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks. Then turn left at the traffic light. The train station is on your right, across from the bus stop.
Okay, so I go straight, then turn left at the traffic light, and it's across from the bus stop?
That's correct.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Let's do another example. Emma, imagine someone asks you how to get to the hospital. What would you say?
I would say, go straight ahead, then turn right at the second street. The hospital is on the left, next to the pharmacy.
That's perfect. Let's do one more. How would you give directions to a coffee shop?
Walk 2 blocks, then turn left. The coffee shop is on the right, across from the park.
Excellent. You're getting really good at this.
What if I need to ask for directions? How should I do it?
That's a great question. Here are some polite ways to ask for directions. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the nearest bank. Excuse me, how do I get to the post office? Could you tell me where the supermarket is? Where is the nearest hotel?
These are very useful. I will remember to start with excuse me, to be polite.
Exactly. Being polite is important when asking for directions.
What if I'm inside a mall or a big building? How do I give directions there?
Good question. Here are some useful phrases. The restroom is on the 2nd floor. Take the elevator to the 3rd floor. The food court is down the hall on your right. The exit is at the end of the corridor.
That's helpful. Now I can give directions inside a building too.
Yes. Now let's test your skills with a final practice round. Imagine someone asks you how to get to the library from here. What would you say?
I would say, go straight ahead, then turn right at the traffic light. The library is on your left, next to the bakery.
That's perfect. You've learned a lot today.
Thank you so much, David. Now I feel more confident giving directions in English.
You're welcome. Keep practicing and soon it will feel natural.